that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread flow like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Okay, I get another one.
It's broke?
Yes.
Okay. All right. How long do you think that'll be?
Oh, maybe be about 2 hours.
Okay.
I'll be back, okay?
Okay. Good morning, YouTube fam. Today is Friday. I just wanted to come and open up today's vlog. As you just heard, I have to get a new hot water heater. I've been up since my husband left to go to work. We noticed last night, well, I noticed last night when I opened the basement door to go downstairs, that there was water all over the floor coming from the hot water heater. So I wasn't too sure what was going on. So I had my husband come down and take a look, and sure enough, our hot water heater, it needed some maintenance. So my husband called the maintenance man this morning, and he came. So he will be going to get a new one and bringing it in, putting it in. As you can see, I was boiling some water so I could wash the little few dishes that I have. That's just a part of life, but I gotta have a clean kitchen and whatnot. So yeah, I did get some packages yesterday, so I'm going to open them up with you guys. Let me get a knife, because I'm excited to see what this stuff is as well. I know that my batteries are in here, so I can stop recycling. Yes, and they are. That's the first box I opened. So I got this 3-pack from K-Star of, oh, I can't open the box. Lord, I need to get one of those little cutters so I can open this. But it comes with 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And then the charging bank is over here to the side. So I have plenty of batteries. I also got some SD cards. So I have those. I also got this newer lens for the Sony, so I'll be adding that. I'll probably have it on when I come back later. Right now I'm just gonna open these packages and get off here, because I need to run across the street before he comes back, because I need to get some dishwashing liquid and some trash bags. So I'm just gonna open this stuff real quick and get on out the way. I got these small BT art box tips. I'll probably have these on too when I come back. I don't understand why they put one item in a big old gigantic box. You know, that makes no sense to me. Like, y'all just wasting stuff. And then this last thing, is my anniversary gift from my husband. And I'm happy about it as well. I got a Type-C hub as well, but I have the Potensic drone. So I look forward to using that and putting out some good footage for when I walk. So I'm gonna go ahead and run to the dollar store, and I will see you guys. Okay, so change of plans. They just got here with my new hot water heater. So they're downstairs. Came in my little side door over here. so it'll be a while before I head over. This is the camera quality of the newer wide angle lens. You can like see over now further. So yeah, I like it. Now I'm not all up in your face. I'm back some, so hopefully this comes across as well in my videos, because I always move my camera back, but for some reason the Sony ZV-1, it just brings you, it crops you in. So yeah, as soon as they get done doing what they doing, I'm gonna be going over to the dollar store to get the items that I need. But until then, I will see you guys in a minute again.
Undercover tryna do his thing. Till lit on the bike, wants to that melody. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a bank while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get 5 base set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slept. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a
Hey YouTube fam, it's the girl Miss Teeny. I'm just coming back in to finish up what you already just seen. Today is actually Saturday. I was gonna put that portion out yesterday, but I decided to wait till today, on Saturday today, because this will be the actual end date for my week 1, because I'll start week 2 tomorrow when I inject. So I just wanted to come and end it out properly. I had a few more things from Amazon if you guys care to see. I ordered these 2 hats. Really good quality, nice and thick and furry on the inside. I already opened the packages and whatnot so I could see like what was in there. And then I picked up this argan and this tugel. I got that. And I got a robe that you guys will see later on. Nothing really fancy schmancy. I also did pick up these magnesium citrate pills. They are, oh, they don't have the millage, whatever it's called, you know. Oh, these are 400 milligrams. I'm doing really good with my Benefiber. And it did help me get over that little lump that I was talking about when I was feeling like I was getting constipated. And I've been taking the Benefiber every day, and I've been able to go every day. I'll go twice a day. I know that's TMI. But I'll probably throw this in there too. I'm probably going to take these every other day instead of taking them every day, because I don't want to end up with diarrhea. I just don't want to end up with that. I also picked up this 2 terabyte external hard drive that I'll be using as well, because what I found was I needed to get a higher memory card for my camera. That's why it was overheating. And I also needed to get pick up this for my computer, so I don't have to keep worrying about deleting my stuff that I do have on my computer, and I'll be able to keep it. Excuse me 1 second. Bless me. It is really cold here. So I really need those hats, and I had just ran somewhere. My hair was still a little wet. It's dry. It is dry. It is windy. So if you hear like a chimey noise, that's my wind chime that's on my front porch. But yeah, that's all that I have to show you guys and update you guys on. I will be starting week 2 tomorrow. So just stay tuned for you know, a video on Monday or whatnot. And stay tuned for my week 1 results. My starting weight is not on there, but this is what I weigh currently. I'm really excited about it and all. And if you made it this far in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Take a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple.